Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the talking animation. I can do this all day by using one picture. How's that possible? So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can install this Revive application. Don't worry because you can install it from the Play Store or the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS. And usually if you don't purchase the package or the new user even, then this application will offer you this package, for example the lifetime and also the weekly. And so thus there is the detail about the benefit that you will get. And if you interested with it, then you can just keep continuing to click this button and do the payment. But if you don't want to buy this package, then you can just skip this offering. But there will be a lot of advertisement during the editing, so we can just skip it. And kindly wait for the advertisement. And after that it will give you the look of the home page. And since we would like to create the I can do this all day animation, then we will slide or scroll down a little bit, and I will choose your mood here, for example the cool. And for the cool mood you can scroll down and choose this I can do this all day animation. This is the preview.
I can do this all day. I can do this all day.
So you can keep continue and it will direct
I can do this.
It will direct you into this field to let you select the favorite picture. So you can choose the picture from the gallery over here from your device, or you can also simply choose the picture that has been provided by this application. For example, I will choose this rainbow and I will click revive. Kindly wait for the process, guys.
Hello everyone.
And after the generation process, this video or this animation is ready, and let's watch the result.
I can do this all day. I can do this all day.
So that's all guys, don't forget to try this animation into your device and please let us know if this animation or app also work for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.